Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with another tutorial for you guys, and it's on this look right here, which I accomplished with this month's Boxycharm box. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, but before you start watching, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit that notification bell down below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And also, I just want to say thank you so much for everybody that reached out to me, everybody that watched my recent video, which I filmed a video on my depression struggle. And I just want to say thank you so much to everybody that reached out to me privately. And I just really appreciate everybody that watched the video and, you know, took the time to, you know, message me. I really appreciate that. And like I said, just stay strong. So I just wanted to put that out there. And if you guys haven't watched it, I will link it down below. So if you guys want to know how to get this look, once again, please keep on watching. So for this look, I'm going to take everything that came in my Boxycharm box. And the first thing, it came with these Alamar Cosmetics brushes. Came with 3 of them. I'm also going to take the Pretty Vulgar palette that came in the Boxycharm box. Comes with these shades right here. And I'm going to swatch only the ones that are shimmery. I'm going to swatch this one, which is Clutch. I'm going to swatch this one, which is Break Free. Next, I'm going to swatch I Spy. Ooh, this color is really pretty. Next, I'm taking Silver Spoon. Pretty pigmented as well. So all the colors that are shimmery are very pigmented. So the shimmery colors in this palette are pretty pigmented. I'm not going to swatch the other ones because I don't really care for matte shadows. I really care more for the shimmery shadows. So I'm going to take the Vulgar palette and I'm going to go in with Break Free and apply that as my brow bone highlight. Next, I'm going to take the Alamar Cosmetics brushes and I'm going to take the one in the middle, which this one is the blending brush pretty much. And I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Hide and Seek. And I'm going to apply this shade as my transition color. Next, I'm going to be taking Flip Out. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Swoop. And I'm just going to apply this color to the outer corner. Next, I'm taking my Anastasia concealer in the shade 1.5. And I'm going to take the other Alamar Cosmetics brush, which is a flatter brush. I'm just going to grab some concealer and I'm just going to apply some to my eyelid. Next, going back to the Pretty Vulgar palette, I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Clutch. Next, I'm taking Swoop again and I'm going to apply that to the bottom lash line. Next, I'm taking Break Free and applying that to my inner corner highlight. Next, I'm taking this Butter London Glaze Luxurious Liner. So I'm going to be applying my lashes off camera. I do have a detailed video on how to apply your eyelashes that I will link down below or somewhere on the video, and I'll be right back. Next for contour, I'm taking my Makeup Geek Flawless Forever Fur Lady Face Palette, and I'm taking the shade right here, which is Radiant. Next, also in the Boxycharm box, it also came with this Laura Geller Baked Blush, and it's in the shade Tropic Hues. So I'm going to be applying that for blush. Next, going back into my Makeup Geek Flawless Ever After Fur Lady Face Palette, I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Betrayal. And for highlight, of course, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. To set everything, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Powder. Next, last but not least, I'm going to take this matte lipstick that came in the Boxycharm box. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!